Hakarai ka bakong san jong ka history, ka kabinet jong ka jala Meghalaya ha kasni pale, kalapan bana baka ktien, Khasi baka ktien Garo, kinlong no ktien sorkar jong ka jala ringkat baka ktien pareng. O mencirang baka jala konrad ki sang maul ang baka kanhun menteri kala menjuri ka Meghalaya Official Languages Ordinance arja arpun rio, kani kasenjam kalong hadian ka jeng dawa ka balas lembha. Ban pendong ya baro arteli ktien ha ka kernet bapra, ni ka eat schedule jong ka Riti Sanchar Kari India. Loong ru bamenta baro ki kam sorkar ha kajala kidang ya ha ktien paring hi.
Such that it has to be ratified by the regular assembly session. So that is the process. We don't have anything to say on that. Be it through a special session or the cabinet meeting, it's acceptable to us because it is proper to do that. So 1, 2, 3. One more. Which day bhag? Oh, I can. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for the future and everything. That is very important. We will remember you for the future.
So much, sir. Wonderful news.
Wonderful news.
Talking about parliament, if we can get a reaction from you regarding this women reservation bill.
Yes. This women's reservation bill that has been introduced in the Parliament in the special session today is a very, very welcome step on part of the government of India, especially the Honorable Prime Minister. This has been a long pending demand, a long pending issue, and this is something that should have been done a long time back. But we must give credit to Honorable Prime Minister for this bold step and the bold decision that he has taken. There will always be critics, there will always be people who will argue in different ways. But if you look at the larger section of society and the larger impact that it will have on democratic representation, which, as we have seen, whether it's Meghalaya state or even in the parliament, that the representation of women is not as at the level that it should be. This will be a very, very important democratic reform and will allow representation of women at the top level to be able to take decisions which will help overall the society and women, especially at large. And it's, as I said, it's a very positive decision. We as a government and as a political party, the National People's Party, we completely support this decision. We are very, very happy with this decision. And at every level, whatever is required, we will support it. And at the same time, I urge that all political parties, all organizations across society must support a positive reform like this, as it will be in the larger interest of the state and the country as a whole.
What about the delimitation of the motion?
Delimitation is, of course, another aspect. If you look at the overall demographic changes that are taking place, population trends that are there, delimitation is the need of the hour. So hence, it must be done. And